Hey guys, today we're going to install Chrome on Debian 12. This is fast and easy. First, we click on our Chrome installer GUI called Firefox. Then we search for Chrome in the address bar at the top here. Then we're going to click on the first result on the top here. That's the official Google page. We're going to click Download Chrome. Make sure that first one is selected for Debian and say Accept and Install. So now it's going to download it for us, and you see it's downloading there in that little Downloads Notifier thing. We could click on it if we want, but we're not going to. We're going to close Firefox. Now we're going to go ahead and open a terminal, and we're going to su to root because we don't have sudo set up on this system. Now we're going to cd into home user 1 downloads. So jump into our downloads directory, hit ls, and we see that our package that we just downloaded is right there. So we're going to type dpackage-i and the name of the package file that we downloaded. And you can just hit tab to tab it out, so it'll auto-complete for you. And there we go. Installation is complete. We now have Chrome installed. So we're going to open up we're going to say show applications, and we're going to search for Chrome. We see it's right there. We're going to drag it down onto the bar right here. And now that we've got that, we're going to get back to the desktop and launch it as we normally would. So we see we have a little notification for it. Now we're going to close the terminal because we don't need that anymore either. So go down here, click on the Chrome icon. We're going to say, make it the default, but don't automatically send statistics to Google. So here we go. Chrome is working. Say don't sign in because we just don't want to do that right now. I'm going to say got it. And now we're going to go down to settings. So Chrome is technically installed now, but you don't want to use it like this. You want to configure it, right? So go down to settings and click on customize your Chrome profile. And go ahead and select a color that you like. Green is great. There are others. Purple looks pretty nice, and you can use like magenta or whatever else. Your choice. They all look pretty cool. But there you go. We have Chrome installed. So we're going to close it, launch it again, and you can see a fresh screen here where it's all that theme. And we're going to show you how we can launch Reddit, and there we go. It's working. We've loaded a website. Now, remember to hit that subscribe button, but that's it for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in that next video.